Hey guys, today we are unboxing my new cycle, urbantarrain 1001. So finally, this is how our bike arrived. It's all packed, front tire is removed. We will have to set that up. Let's set that. So front tire is very well packed. It's looking beautiful, by the way. So there's a construction going on the other side, so sorry for the noises. What should we set up first? This is looking good. Cute little pond. I remember back when I was in school, whenever there was a puncture in the cycle, we needed to go in a small cycle repair center, and they had this big steel metallic tear pump. This reminds me of that, but this is much better. This looks cool and compact. There's this small box we get. Let's see what's inside of this. There are two paddles given in it. There are some Allen keys. Let's try to remove this cardboard. I think we should first set up the handlebar. So let's set that up. Setting up handlebar is pretty straightforward. We just have to remove the holder of the stem and get the handle fixed into it. So let's do that. So make sure you don't right away tighten it too much, so that when the whole thing is set up, you can hold the handlebar and decide whether it's a right fit and then adjust accordingly with the Allen. I think that should do for now. Let's set up the wheel. Now let's turn it over and do the remaining part. So the handlebar is now set up nicely. As we can see, we have Shimano 21 speed derailleur and shifter on the bicycle. There's a good reflector over here with a tring. We have 3 levels of shifting on the left, and as we can see on the right side we have 7 level of shifting. So that gives us 21 level of shifting. This lever over here, it reduces the gear, and this one here increases it. Here upside lever here increases the gear, and this one is to reduce the gear. Come Madhu, you want to fit this? Welcome to my channel, Madhu. And just like that, our bike is ready. And now the most satisfying part of removing the wrap. Now our cycle looks completely ready.